Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can write and draw on the calendar with S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Next, remove your S Pen from your device, and on the calendar, tap on the edit button. Once you are in edit mode, you can now start drawing. So at the bottom here is a toolbar. So there are a number of things that you can do on this toolbar. You can tap on the pen icon. In here, it will open up a window allowing you to select a different pen type. So here, if you hover your S Pen over each of the pen, it tells you which pen it is. So here we've got fountain pen, calligraphy pen, we've got pen, we've got pencil, here calligraphy brush, and here we've got highlighter, and then we've got straight line highlighter. Down here is the pen size, so you can change the size of your pen. And you can also pick the color, so swiping across will give you more color options for you to select the color. Down here is the eraser button, so here first we're going to select. So let's select this brush right here. So that is a quite thin brush, so we can increase the size of the brush. So that's the brush right there. Here we can select a pen. We can also change the size of the pen, like that. Now you can undo it by tapping on the undo button or redo. You can also use the eraser to erase your mistakes on the screen. Now here, if I start to do some writing, I can circle an event. I can underline. I can also use highlighter to highlight certain things on the screen. So here if I go into straight line highlighter and we choose different color, so here I can highlight that. So this is a straight line, just to make it easy. As you can see, this is a straight line, allow you to easily highlight across the screen like that. We can go back to a pen or pencil. So this is the pencil right here. This look like a pencil. We can increase the size of the pencil. If you mess it up, you can touch and hold on the pencil icon. And here, tap on it. And here you can choose different eraser settings. We've got stroke eraser or area eraser. And so here, erase highlighter only. So you can turn on to erase highlighter only. Or we can choose area highlighter. So we can choose the size of the area. And then if you run it, you can see it will allow you to quickly erase an area of the screen. Or if you want, you can simply erase our handwriting. That will erase the whole lot on the screen. And we can start. We can start again. Now you can only draw within the calendar area. If you try to draw outside the screen, it does not work. Only within the boundary of your calendar. So around here, this is the boundary of your calendar drawing area. And here is an item that you can select. So here, if I do a certain drawing here, I can use the select object, so selection mode. So we pick that. So here we can tap on it and choose lasso or rectangle selection. And here we can also turn on include partially selected objects or not. So here, if we got select that, we can select that object there. Once an object is selected, you can remove it. You can move it around the screen. You can also resize it, so you can resize the object. So it's a bit hard to do, but once you select on one of the corners, you can resize the object, and then you can move the object around. So here I will draw another object in different color. Now you can see that if I select an object here, I can move it back to front, so I can place the object to back, so that will allow you to move objects layers to bring the object to the background or to the front foreground by setting it to the back layer or the front layer. And that's it. So that is how you can draw on your calendar. A number of things you can do once an object is selected. You can copy, cut, delete, or rearrange the object layers. Here I can delete it, so I can delete the object. And that's it. So that is how you can draw or how you can write on your calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So here, if I choose erase all writing, it will immediately erase. And then just tap on save to save your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.